Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss what is Facebook Pixel, how do you integrate Facebook Pixel into your system. Having said that, we are not going to go into a lot of detail about how Facebook Pixel works because there is a lot more material available on YouTube, and obviously you can look it up separately. So what is Facebook Pixel? Facebook Pixel gives you a way in which you can track all your campaign traffic, whether it is inorganic campaign traffic or it is organic traffic that is coming into your Facebook account, and then people coming from there into your e-commerce website. You'll be able to track it by integrating Facebook Pixel into your system. So let's dive in. So basically, the first thing you need to do is follow these steps. You need to first go into your Facebook Business Manager account, into your home. And then after that, you need to go into the settings in the left menu. After going into the settings, we can click on the business assets, more, and then go to pixels. We are going to see all of this again. And then I'm going to show you what needs to be done once you've reached there, what needs to be done in your BIS 365 app. So let's first go into your Facebook Business Manager. I'm sure you must be aware what is Facebook Manager. And then we click on settings. That's the first step. Once we click on settings, then we need to understand what to do next. So basically we need to go to business assets here. From business assets, we need to go into more, go into Facebook pixels. And let's say I want to integrate this pixel into my system. All we need to do is click on the pixel. This will copy it to your clipboard. And after that, we are going to go directly to our admin panel. And once we go directly to the admin panel, we are going to go into settings. And from settings, we are going to go into SEO analytics. And in your SEO analytics, we are going to paste this Facebook pixel, and that's it. That's all you need to do. The moment you do that, your website has been now configured to use Facebook pixel so that you can track your traffic and track the performance. If you're stuck somewhere, by the way, if you're stuck somewhere and you don't understand what is Facebook Pixel or how to integrate it even further, then you can always get in touch with us out here. You can leave a message and we can point you in the right direction. We can send you videos, or we can give you a little bit of guidance of how to use Facebook Pixel and how to integrate that within the system. Thank you.